Hey guys, it's Lippy, and today's video is going to be a Fabfitfun unboxing. So basically what happened was that I ordered a Fabfitfun box like last season, and I was like, oh, I'll film a video on it. Never filmed it, ended up unboxing it, actually liking the items, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order this again, and this time film it so you guys can see this video and maybe it will be helpful. Personally, I've actually been like impressed with the items in the previous box, so let's see what we have in here. I did have the opportunity to like pick out items. So the way it works is they give you choices like, do you want this, or do you want it to be a surprise? I picked out my items. I kind of forgot what I got. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can see together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like seeing me, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see me on a more regular basis, hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post. But let's go ahead and get started. So let's open it up. I don't even know what's in it. It's a cute box, of course. Okay, so it has a little magazine, I think, potentially, that this has featured products and people and stuff. We're not gonna look at this. We got a $80 gift card to Hellofresh. Honestly, I have used Hellofresh before. I kind of like it, but I've been cooking by myself lately, so don't need that. And you deserve some summer fun. I'm gifting you $15. Okay, well, so if you want this code, $15 off your Fabfitfun box, I will leave it in the comments down below. But, oh, look at this stuff. This actually looks real nice. This looks real nice. So this is what the box looks like. It's filled with a bunch of goodies. Okay, so let's start off with this thing right here because I know what it is. So this is a COOLA makeup spray. I actually have a little bottle of this, and I'm not gonna lie, the one I used I did not absolutely love, but I was running out of setting spray, and so I got it. I think it was like between this or an eyeliner, and I decided on the setting spray because I'm very particular about my eyeliners. So let's see. Oh, this actually might be a different setting spray than the one I had. But I also like this because, oh, the bottle is glass. Okay, this is a bougie. The reason I like this is because it has SPF on it, and like for the summer, I thought this would be really nice. So this is what it looks like. It's just a COOLA setting spray. It'll be fun. Let's like test it out on our face. It has like a noise, like a little wiggle. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like exactly the one I've been using. I like it because I feel like it dries pretty quickly, but the mist is very fine. So like this, okay. Like not crazy about it, but I'm not mad about getting full size. Next item, what is this? This is gold, so it's like, ooh, pretty. It is a foot mask. I've never used a foot mask. It is a coconut milk verbena exfoliating foot mask. Smooths and softens and intense hydration. Okay, apparently I'm be taking care of my feet. Honestly, this should be cool. I don't really know what to expect. I really don't. I like get a pedicure if I'm gonna do something for like my feet care. But you know, self-love. Self-love. Oh, actually, okay, that kind of smells really good. I wonder how much all of this stuff is worth. The really cool thing about this box is that like you do kind of spend a lot for the box, but the items you get, I genuinely, truly, full-heartedly feel like you get your money's back because the things in here are actually kind of expensive. Let's see if we can see prices for things. It does. Okay, so wait, this COOLA making spray is $36 for this whole thing. This foot mask is $32. Who spends $32 on exfoliating their feet? Apparently this girl. Okay, just got that. Let's see what else. This is a Generation Clay Brightening Purple Mask. Yay! Okay, this is cool. So I actually have a little bit of acne scarring, and so this might be really cool. I am kind of nervous to put like face things on my face because I'm like, what if it breaks me out? But this might be worth a try. This is $39. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it's purple. I love purple things. So I got a Generation Clay mask. Kind of excited about this, not gonna lie. Okay. I have this Grayson Stella all day setting spray, and I don't think I got, oh my gosh, I got it. I got really excited because I was kind of excited about this. Okay, this is thick. I'm excited about this. I got excited about it because I saw the picture right here and I was like, oh, that'd be cute. So it's number 8. This is a rosé mist for your face. I literally said rosé. It's literally rose. I love anything rose. Like anyone that knows me knows this about me. So, okay, we're hype. We are hype about this. like I am opening. Okay, this is like a really cool Fabfitfun box. I'm not gonna lie, I would recommend. Look, it's so big. What is it? You just spray it on your face? Okay, craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of this rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. Let's spray it on my face. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I definitely talked with that. My bad. I love it. I already love it. Do I look young? Do I look fresh and moisturized? Okay, gonna be obsessed with this. It's from Grayson and Stella. Very cool, very excited. Let's do this little cute little baggie. Excuse me, how much are you? $50. This is a $50 necklace. Your girl does not spend money on necklaces. I got it because it is dainty and has stars on it, and I've been oh, that's cute. I've been really into stars. So it looks like this. It's just like very, very simple. I actually have a necklace that I've been layering, so maybe if this works with it, I can layer it also. My best friend Lindsay gave me this for Christmas, but this is what the necklace looks like. Let's open it. Oh, I love this. Okay, beautiful jewelry sometimes just gives me a moment. This is beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to work tomorrow. I love this. That's so cute. Okay, I'm excited about this. That's really cute. I'm just gonna put that down very, very gently. Another item I got are hair elastics, right? Okay, these might be fun. Oh, these just kind of feel like one of those bug things, you know, you put on that like keeps the bug repellent. Let's see how it looks, okay? So I got a new piercing, and my hair is caught in that new piercing, and it definitely hurts. Stand by. Okay, so let's try it. We're just putting our hair in it. Oh, it works. Do I look fancy? It just looks like that. Nothing like crazy or special. Also, here's my new piercing. It's up here. Am I edgy yet? Because we're trying. And it just goes out like that. Okay, very simple. There's this like cream looking one. Oh, it's nude for people with like blonde hair. I guess I kind of, let's be real, I don't have blonde hair. This is not gonna match my hair, but will she use it? Absolutely. So I got these. Honestly, probably don't need them, not like obsessed with them, but I think they will come in handy. Picked this myself. This is basically a brightening mask. So like I said, with this one, I'm kind of nervous to put things on my face because I really don't want it to break out. I'm using Curology right now, so if you ever want a before and after with all that, let me know. But this is the 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold face mask. I think I wanted to try it because it was rose gold, and I think these are like super expensive. Let us see. Let us do our research. $160. Okay, it's a set of 5. Basically what this is saying is that this is 24 karat gold rose extract brightening, smoothing, hydrating mask. This is bougie AF, and I'm not mad at it. TBH. These are $32 each. This box is definitely paid for itself. I'm definitely not being sponsored. If you ever want to sponsor me, hit me up. But I'm definitely not getting sponsored, okay? This item I know I definitely picked out, and I wanted to try it. It's the Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizzes and lightening conditions. This is from Living Proof. I wanted to get this because my hair does get frizzy a lot of times, or sometimes I really just don't want to do my hair, and I always see all these little flyaways. So I thought it'd be fun just to try this out. Really, let's just smell it. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a hotel soap. Okay, not mad. So got that. This is big. It's real big. Okay, is this, wait, yes, these go together. It's the Bum Bum, right? Yeah, Bum Bum Cream. I have been seeing ads on these on all my social media platforms, so I was like, I kind of want to try it. It's a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. So I think from my understanding, it's supposed to like tighten up your skin. And you know, you might be thinking, Lippy, what skin do you have that needs to be tightened? I got skin that needs to be tightened, okay? So we are just gonna use this summer, and yeah, it's gonna be great. So this is the shower gel, which is great because I am about out of my shower gel, and then this is the cream itself. I hate putting on lotion, but I've been doing this new thing, okay? When I take care of myself and put lotion on my body after I take a shower, my skin has transformed. It's so much smoother and brighter and not ashy. So would recommend doing that simple lotioning habit after a shower. And it's really cool that I got this. But yeah, this is my box. I'm pretty excited about it. I genuinely think I'm going to be using a lot of these products. I will be real with y'all. Fabfitfun is something I've kept my eye on for a while, and every season I'm kind of just like, I'll wait for a box that has all these things I want. But genuinely, I end up kind of using the things that come in my box, so I personally think so far it's worth it. I ended up actually upgrading to like the whole year pass thing where they definitely send it to you. This is just me. I paid for all of this with my own money. All of these opinions are my own. I will leave a code in the comments down below, the one that they attach to here, and then I know I get a referral one. You do not have to use it. If you want to use it, thank you. I appreciate you. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But that's about it. Until next time, I will see you guys then. Mwah!